Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, today we're gonna make some desserts. Got some bananas. But already I'm gonna show you what I baked today. I baked this fantastic cheesecake. Fantastic recipe from my wife. It's just must recipe. Yeah, you have to do it. It's very nice, very tasty. It's an old recipe which my wife had, and if I don't forget, I will leave you at the end of this video. Otherwise, you type in the YouTube in my channel cheesecake and you will find it. Well, for the banana cake, these are the ingredients. We got 4 ripe banana, 3 cups flour, 1 sour cream, sugar 1 cup, some vanilla, half teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, some vanilla sugar, baking powder, 200 grams butter, and these are peanut butter chips. Those are the key point of this recipe. Well, we're gonna start peeling off our bananas, and we're gonna just mash them. We're gonna be a banana mash, yeah, with our 4 ripe banana, as ripe as possible. They have to be quite ripe because we're gonna make an easy puree with it, yeah. And the rest of it, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna just change the camera to focus on the machine and not on me, and let's make it. But very important is that 200 grams of butter, they have to be at room temperature, and we're gonna mix it together with our sugar, yeah? While we process and mix our sugar with the butter, we're gonna do a mashed potatoes. As you see, just quite easy. We're gonna speed it up and jump to the next step. As our sugar is well mixed with butter, we're gonna add our mashed banana, as you may see. And we're gonna keep mixing it, and we're gonna add our vanilla sugar, and also I'm gonna add a little bit of banana, banana, just vanilla from fresh one from the vanilla plant, just like that. I don't really know the exact name, how it's called. I just add all of it and the 2 eggs, and this is the time where I'm gonna mix it. Now we are adding the salt, the baking powder, and we're going to slowly add our flour. With the cream. And just like that, we got our cake here, and we are gonna manually add our peanut butter chips. Yeah, I'm gonna just mix it just manually, no machine for it, just let it get together. And what I did here was baking form or tray, I add at the bottom just a little bit of them. We're just gonna just put our cake on it and we are ready to bake. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do a few muffins for my daughter. So we have surprise for kindergarten tomorrow. Just like that. So I'm gonna hold the forms and be back. And I got some hats, some hearts, so I'm gonna add a little bit to get a few of them for her. And I will do it. Maybe 3 will be good. And the rest will be in our form, big one. Well, and just like that, we got our cake and 3 muffins, and we're gonna just preheat it oven 170 degrees, and I'm gonna bake it for around 45 to 50 minutes. So I'll catch it up when it's baked and cool down. And hope you like it. If you do, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button, and there are a bunch of videos you may see, desserts, if you like meat, if you like veggies, if anything, we got everything in the channel. Easy cooking at home. Thank you very much and enjoy the journey.